let me show you what maps look like on any Google Pixel Watch. Also, I will show you how to use them and also how to download offline maps as well. So on any Pixel Watch such as 5, 4, 3, 2 or 1. So first, if you click your scroll wheel and go in your app list, you'll find your maps here. So by default you have them installed already. And once you open the app, you'll be able to see your exact location here, and you can see essentially all countries here. And using your scroll wheel, you can easily zoom in and zoom out to see how responsive this is. And you can see literally every street name here, every place. So you see, yeah, pretty much everything around you. And you see just how fast and responsive the map is on this watch. And we have maps available for literally every country in the world here. Also, if anywhere on your map, you simply click once. It will give you directions to that place. So either by car, on foot, transport. Also it will show you location here. So you can tap this and it will essentially prepare a 10x10 navigation route here. How to drive. And if you click and hold on the map, you'll get this X sign as well. So you can easily exit the map as well and return to the main screen. So we can use a search here, go to the map, search for some places. So for example, we can enter search here. So you can search for any place, any address here, and then it will prepare like the navigation to that place as well. And in this screen, if you swipe all the way down, so you can also find like different places around you, like parking spots, ATMs or whatever. And also we can actually upload offline maps as well to this watch. So if you click here, it will open up, so click here, manage on phone. It will open up this window on your phone. So select your own map, and then you simply need to select the area from the map that we want to download. So let's select this one, click download, and download now. And it will get download, essentially, and sent over to your watch. So you'll be able to also use an offline navigation, even if you do not have your phone in range, or there's simply no network connection as well. And definitely the mapping system is very, very impressive on these watches indeed. So I see just how insanely fast and responsive it is. Everything is pretty much instant here. And obviously we have a map for every country in the world here. Okay, like